Hello to all. Today we will discuss on the video lecture on the topic of auto transformer. In this auto transformer type, we describe the different contents. The contents are: first, transformer; second, principle of operation; third, types of transformer; fourth, auto transformer; fifth, theory of auto transformers; sixth, types of auto transformers; seven, step up transformers; eight, step down transformers; nine, advantages of auto transformers; 10, disadvantages of auto transformer; 11, applications of auto transformer; 12, limitations of auto transformer. First, what is transformers? A transformer is a static device which is used to convert high alternating voltage to a low alternating voltage and vice versa, keeping the frequency same. Principle of operation. The transformer works on the principle of mutual induction of two coils. When current in the primary coil is changed, the flux linked to the secondary coil also changes. Consequently, an EMF is induced in the secondary coil. Primary winding, as shown in figure, transformer having two winding. First is primary winding, N1 or NP. The primary current is induced into a primary winding. The primary voltage Vp is applied to the primary winding. The transformer cover having a secondary winding. Secondary winding having a secondary voltage is applied to the secondary winding Vs. The secondary current is induced into a secondary winding. The secondary winding is denoted as a N2. The types of transformers are auto transformer, polyphase transformer, leakage transformer, resonant transformer, instrument transformer. The auto transformers, sometimes called auto step down transformer, is an electrical transformer with only one winding. In an auto transformer, portions of the same winding acts as both the primary and secondary sides of the transformer. Auto transformer input winding, input is connected to the primary winding, output connected to the secondary winding, the load is connected to the output. Theory of auto transformer. N1 primary turn, N2 is secondary turn, I1 is equal to primary current, I2 is equal to secondary current, V1 is equal to primary voltage, V2 is equal to secondary voltage. From figure we get V2 upon V1 minus V2 is equal to N2 upon N1 minus N2. V2 ब्रॅकेट मध्ये N1 minus N2 is equal to N2 ब्रॅकेट मध्ये V1 minus V2. Multiply V2 in bracket V2 N1 minus V2 N2 is equal to N2 V1 minus N2 V2. V2 N1 is equal to N2 V1. So V2 upon V1 is equal to N2 upon N1 is equal to K. So V2 upon V1 is equal to I1 upon I2. V1 I1 is equal to V2 I2 output. The primary and secondary winding of an auto transformer are connected magnetically as well as electrically. So the power transferred primary to secondary inductively as well as conductively. Output apparent power is equal to V2 I2. Apparent power transferred inductively is equal to V2 ब्रॅकेट मध्ये I2 minus I1 is equal to V2 ब्रॅकेट मध्ये I2 minus K I2. V2 I2 ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 1 minus K is equal to V1 I1 ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 1 minus K. Power transferred inductively is equal to input X ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 1 minus K. Power transferred conductively is equal to input minus input ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 1 minus K. Input in bracket 1 minus K is equal to K into input. The types of auto transformer are, there are two types of auto transformer: step up auto transformer, second is step down auto transformer. In step up auto transformer, An autotransformer in which Ns is greater than Np is called a step-up autotransformer. A step-up autotransformer is a transformer which converts low alternating voltage to a high alternating voltage. In step-down autotransformer, an autotransformer in which Np is greater than Ns is called a step-down autotransformer. A step-down autotransformer is a transformer which converts high alternating voltage to low alternating voltage. The advantages of autotransformer are: an autotransformer requires less Cu than a two-winding transformer of similar rating. An autotransformer operates at a higher efficiency than a two-winding transformer of similar rating. An autotransformer has a better voltage regulation than a two-winding transformer of the same rating. An autotransformer has a smaller size than a two-winding transformer of the same rating. The autotransformer last advantage is it requires a smaller existing current than a two-winding transformer of the same rating.